Unleash the power of innovation with the revolutionary Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, the ultimate device for tech enthusiasts. Are you ready for the next level of smartphone technology? Look no further than the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This device is packed with cutting-edge features and top-of-the-line technology that will leave you amazed. From its stunning camera capabilities to its sleek and stylish design, the S23 Ultra is the ultimate device for tech enthusiasts. Keep watching our video and get a sneak peek at what this incredible device has to offer. The countdown is on, and with less than 2 weeks to go before the highly anticipated Unpacked event, leaks and rumors surrounding the new Galaxy S23 Ultra are reaching a fever pitch. Samsung has already hinted at the event's date, which is set for the first day of February, and has now released a series of videos hyping up the headlining features of the new phone. The first teaser video, shared by trusted insider Ice Universe, boasts the slogan, "Megapixels that'll make you say wow." This is believed to be a teaser for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, Samsung's first ever phone with a 200 megapixel camera. This is a game changer in the world of smartphone photography. Don't miss out on these amazing features. And to be very honest, it is one of the most exciting new features of the S23 Ultra. According to information leaked from Samsung China, the phone will be equipped with a new 200 megapixel camera sensor for its main camera. This represents a significant upgrade from the S22 Ultra and is sure to make photography enthusiasts everywhere sit up and take notice. But it's not just the megapixels that have been improved. The phone's night mode capabilities have also been significantly enhanced. Insiders are saying that people will be pleasantly surprised by the S23 Ultra's night photography capabilities, which are set to be way better than the already impressive night mode on the S22 Ultra. Another area where the S23 Ultra is set to shine is in video recording. While many tech YouTubers have long claimed that iPhones take better videos, Samsung has made some significant improvements in this area with the S23 Ultra. Theoretically, this means that the phone should be able to produce better videos than the latest iPhone, but only time will tell if that's indeed the case. One of the most unique and exciting new features of the S23 Ultra is its Astro timelapse, or hyperlapse mode. This type of photography captures the movement of stars in the night sky by taking a series of long exposure photographs over a period of time, which are then combined into a time-lapse video. But with the S23 Ultra, you won't need to go through all of that hassle. Simply press record with Astro hyperlapse mode on and the phone will do the rest. This new feature is expected to take Astro photography to a whole new level and promises to be a real game changer for photographers and stargazers alike. Finally, Samsung will also be revealing more information about the new chip that they are creating for Galaxy phones. This chip, which is expected to launch in 2025 with the S25, is a big deal because Samsung Mobile has decided to create chipsets of their own from scratch, just like Apple. If done right, this could take Samsung phones to a whole new level, and the first details about it will be shared by Samsung Mobile CEO. All in all, the Galaxy S23 Ultra promises to be an exciting and innovative new phone that will take mobile photography and video recording to new heights. With its powerful camera, improved night mode capabilities, and unique Astro time-lapse feature, it's sure to be a hit with photography enthusiasts and tech lovers alike. With the Unpacked event only a matter of days away, we'll soon find out just how much of these leaks and rumors are true and what other surprises Samsung has in store for us. Well, that's all for today. The Samsung Galaxy S23 5G series promises to revolutionize smartphone photography with its advanced triple camera setup and emphasis on optics. The highly anticipated Galaxy S23 Ultra, with its 200 megapixel camera, is set to make waves in the industry. Don't miss out on this exciting new development from Samsung. If you enjoyed this teaser of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates and news on the latest technology. Thanks for watching.